Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to restore Stardoms game for free, and it's cheated and it is really easy to do, and it's instantly. You can do it as many times as you want. Let's start from loading to the game first. Okay, as you can see I have 9 energy left. Okay, I'm just gonna use it all up. Okay, so I have no energy. 0 energy, right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to double click, reset the game, go to settings, go to general. Okay, you are scrolling down, you're going to see date and time. Set automatically. You have to set exactly 2 months. Today we're November 11, 2019. 2 months. It's January 11, 2020. So you close the game, close the setting, go into the game. Don't let it fully load it. Not fully loaded. Go to settings, and we're going to turn the automatically button up. Turn it back on. Go to Stardoms. You're going to see it says 61 days. It's okay. Close it. And 0 energy still. Go back to settings. Turn off the automatically and turn it back on. Close it and then go to Stardoms. You see that 34. So you can complete your quest. You can do this as many as you want. There won't be any problem. And you can just be an A filming within like a week or so. Very easily. Hope this helps. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.